Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. How are you all doing this evening? And look who's back! Look who's back! Mohammed Kahine is back as a gold member. How very cool is that? Let's welcome our member here back, Mohammed Kahine. Welcome to gold. Welcome to you, Mohammed. We've not seen you for a while. A lot been going on over these last few days, and remind me, Mohammed, what country are you from? Because we now have members in 24 countries. Let me just check that again. It's 24 countries: Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, and Morocco. And welcome back. And I want to get you on Discord so you can share your links for Tilray with me. And that would be great. Anyway, let me bring everybody on the screen. I'm holding my 590 of Tilray 2. This is my Tilray position. It's going up at the moment. I'm still out of the money, 31%, but I'm still holding my position. Welcome back, gold member, says Crag. I've been doing a lot of research on Tilray. Just hold and be patient. Good things are coming. I added more shares, total 88,000 shares. Oh my gosh, I've got about 1,000 shares, so I'm not quite in your league there. Welcome back, gold member. Greetings from Costa Rica. Welcome our guest, Carlos Hidalgo. If you become a member, you'll be the very first person from Costa Rica. Would be wonderful to have you as a member. All right, let me give you the link if you want to do that, and then you will be flying the flag for Costa Rica. All right, let's go down the comments here. Let's see who else we got here. Evening all. Mark Korn is here, our famous author on Amazon. Lovely to have you here, Mark Korn. Good to see you. Mike, hello. Mike is here. Tilray is about to run with the rest of the MMJ market today on the news. What news is that? Let me have a little look. What news am I missing that I don't have? Send it in to me via Discord, my researchers, if I've missed something. Hey, Carlos. Mike, don't worry, subscribe. Salam Mohammed Summers, how are you? Where are you from in the world? Don't worry, membership back by Friday. Yeah. Don't worry. Hello, everyone. Eric B. Hello, everyone. How are you, Eric? Henrik from Denmark as well is here as well. Welcome to you. Right, let's get straight into our trades and have a look at where we are right now. We were just talking about Tilray some moments ago. Let's go over to our main positions and see what's what. We've got Virgin Galactic still red today, but I'm not concerned about it. I'm in London, mate. Lovely stuff. I think you've told me before, and I apologise if I've forgotten. I got a bad memory, I'm afraid. Anyway, there's our overall portfolio down 0.83. Our Roth IRA is down 2%. And we're just off 60,000 is our all-time high. So we're about $1,100 off an all-time high at the moment. That's absolutely fine. We're not worried about that. Okay, let's go through our positions and see what we've got. The overall position is down. S&P is down. Not worth buying it yet. Virgin Orbit, just watching to be delisted. Virgin Galactic, I'm doing nothing, not adding any more. I'm not selling anything, just holding. Rivian is potentially, theoretically, could go bankrupt. It just loses too much money. It's now down to $14 a share. I'm down 11%, looking to get out of it. Tesla today, down 4.3%, but we're up 61% on it, so we're not concerned. Hey, Mike, how are you? Says Bill. Lovely to have you here. Schumer is confident marijuana banking bill will pass this session, according to cannabis entrepreneur who spoke to majority leader. We've been having that, though, for the last year, that same information, though, Strone. So we don't want to, get too carried away with that. We've had that now for a long, long time. Lucid, as I've said before, is a junk stock. Apple back up today. It's just on a wash right now. Mullen, everyone get excited today because Mullen's up 22%. But what's 22% of nothing? I put a short video out about it earlier on. We're still down 90%. So anyway, no value whatsoever there for me at the moment. Amazon only down very slightly. McDonald's, a great day. I'm up 6.5% now. You cannot pay too much for McDonald's. You cannot. It's impossible. Coca-Cola up 2.34% on my main account, and on my Roth up 1.96. Really great dividends coming out soon. J&J, still not made any money on it. It's been money parked now for a while. I'm up 2.69, but remember the dividends themselves are really good on this stock, and it's a safe stock. It's like owning gold, if you like. It's all right. 2.69 up on my main account, and I'm down 1%. So it's made me no real money yet, but I'm very optimistic about it. It's early days. Google is 36% up. I'd like to own more Google. Microsoft, always good to buy more Google if it goes down, but up 36%. I'd like a big drop to do that. On an earnings, you can get a big drop. We cover all the earnings, remember. Walmart, I've only got one share of Walmart, and I'm up 4% on it. It's a good dividend. I'd like to own some more. Tesco, I want to buy it at 6. Finally, I'm getting somewhere with my solar. Next Era Energy, very good dividend. And plus on top of that, you've got, in fact, have I had a dividend payout yet? History. Yes, I have. There's my, there you go, look. March, April, May, every 3 months, $13. So there you go. What's that, $3? I don't know, $4 a month I earn just by owning Next Era Energy. Well, it's an income, right? And I see it going up in the future, so I'll just keep holding it. That's worth it to me. Enphase Energy, looking a bit rubbish today. Bitcoin, everyone's excited about Bitcoin. It's a big worry, though, because it is going down. In my opinion, it's going down to 15,000. I don't know what you think, but I think it is. But a lot of people are excited about Bitcoin, as they are Matic, Polygon as well. Same thing. I picked up at 38% discount, so that was good. Tilray, I've got 1.96 on my brokerage. Roth IRA, I'm at 4%. So I've got plenty of money in it. You know, I've got $1,200. That's a lot for me. More than that, actually. $1,300, $1,400 in it. That's a lot for me, and we're down 28% and 31% respectively. I didn't buy any more down here. I'm not in a position to do that. I'm not going to sell the S&P to buy this. Lebanon, you already fly the flag. Fantastic. Lebanon. Yes. Let's have a look. Yes, Lebanon. We do. Lebanon, thank you very much indeed for clarifying that, Mohammed. There's your flag. I have, let me just read this. Agent Shu. Let's have a look. Good afternoon, Agent Shu. Hi, Craig. How you doing? I have 124,000 shares in Mullen at 16.70. It's a great stock to trade to make money, but I wouldn't hold the stock for long. Brian Ogle, let's have a quick look at it. You own it to trade it, right? I mean, yeah, if you can buy it at 15 cents and sell it at 19. The only fear I have is when it's down this low, you know the fact that when it's down this low, it could be delisted at any point and go bankrupt. So I don't. That's not my style of investing. That's just, to me, that's gambling. It's good day trading, scalp trading. I get it, but to me, that is really what it is. It's gambling. But anyway, I wish you the best with it. I can't believe my market value is $55. I paid $510. $550 I bought that, and now I'm worth $55. Can you believe it? Incredible, right? But there's no way I'm going to buy it. There's no way.
Mark Korn has become a member.
Well, I wasn't expecting that, Mark. I thought it was coming on Friday. But anyway, welcome back with the gold badge. Mark Korn is back as he's been a member now for 2 years. He's got a gold badge, as you can see. Let's have a look. Lucid and Mullen equals rubbish. Eric B. They are holding a queue to add to the tickers. Yes, they are. Lebanon, you already fly the flag from Mohammed. Mr. Lucas, I went to the casino yesterday. I won 65,000 in Baccarat and put all the winnings on Tilray. Exactly how much is 65,000 Baccarat? How much is 65,000 Baccarat? $5 or $1 million? I have no idea. I'm sure you'll tell me. Congratulations anyway. Very well done. I think Bitcoin goes up once stocks become oversold and people move to the meme stocks and Bitcoin again. I think Bitcoin is going to top out at 31, 32 and then go back down to 15. That's where I buy it. That's where I believe, not because of any hype or pump or anything like that, just because that looks like to me what's going to happen. But again, I don't know. No one does. Hi, Mark. Welcome back. Hi, Mark. Hi, bro. Like you. How you doing? Our friend from Russia. Welcome back, Mark. I can't wait for the war to end and our friend here who joins us every day can become a member. We've got loads of people that watch us from Russia who'd become members once the war is over. It'd be great, wouldn't it? Hey, Mark. How are you? It's okay. £3 won't make a difference from now to then. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Martyn Surek. How are you, Martyn Surek? I like the Bitcoin thing. Positive vibration. Good afternoon. The news of marijuana stocks is Suma is confident marijuana banking mill will pass this session. Well, they've been saying that for a while, so I just want to be, absolutely clear on that. I'm not going to buy anymore. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care. At the end of the day, I've got enough. I'm not going to buy any more unless I made some more money. I won 65,000 in US dollars. Oh my God, look at this. Mohammed Kahain yesterday went to the casino and won $65,000. Can you believe it? Carlos Hidalgo. Carlos has just become a bronze member. Martyn Surek. Yes, that's your flag there. Now, Carlos Hidalgo, what country are you from? I'll give you all your perks and benefits in a minute. It takes 10 minutes to get through Discord. Let me give you the Discord link. So you can get on with that. And in about 10 minutes when you're in Discord, I will give you all your perks and benefits. Yeah. Shall we do that, everybody? I think we should do it. Carlos, let me know what country you're from and then get set up in Discord. Let's have a bit of a celebration for Mohammed Kahain.
Carlos Hidalgo has become a member.
Thank you very much, Carlos. If you go to Discord on the welcome all screen here, this is where you'll come into. See the welcome all screen here? This is where you'll come. Scroll down here and you'll be here. And when you come in here, I'm sure that Eric and Mike will meet you in there and we'll welcome you in. All right? Just having a little look. No. I was just thinking there. Is it worth buying any more Tilray? We're only up 3%. It would make a big difference for me to be able to... I'm from Costa Rica. Okay, let me add your badge. Let me add your flag. Okay, here we go. Costa Rica. Can anybody of my researchers, please, send me the information of Tilray, this information? Because if anyone can verify that information, I will buy some more Tilray. Sod it. If anyone can share with me on Discord the information about Tilray, I will buy some more Tilray. But I want some evidence of it. Absolutely want some evidence of it. So tell me why Tilray is up. I need evidence of it, not just, random stuff. Okay, so everyone, just before I do our badge for Carlos, I want everyone, congrats. This is to Mohammed. Congrats, Mohammed. He won $65,000 at the casino. Congrats, Mohammed. I want everyone to blow it up. If Mohammed gives me a super chat, whatever he gives me, I'll buy Tilray. If he's got 65 grand, whatever super chats Mohammed gives me, I will buy Tilray. There we go. Everyone, copy and paste. Blow up the channel. Let's do it. Let's see if he does it, and then I'll buy Tilray. Anyway, while we're doing that, I want to go back to Virgin Galactic a second. It's just holding, going sideways. That's fine. So it's Costa Rica. So 25 countries now. So that's Costa. I've been to Costa Rica. I told you they saved me and Leah when we came back from the Hurricane Irma. Costa Rica. Very nice people. Very, very generous people. Let's have a look here. Costa Rica. And let's do it now. So we're going to add Costa Rica. Costa Rica. This is Costa Rica. Here's your flag coming. And let's add it in. $65,000. Can you imagine? I've never won 65 quid, let alone 65,000. Can you imagine winning $65,000? I can't get my head around that. Anyway. Oh, I won 65 grand. I wouldn't know what to do, would you? Anyway, here comes the badge for our latest member. This is Carlos Hildargo. Carlos Hildargo. All right, so let's look forward to that. You'll see your flag right at the end. Thank you. I can't today, Mr. Lucas, on Super Chat, but I will later next week. And I'll buy some Tilray. Whatever you give me, I'll buy it. If you give me $100, I'll buy $100. If you give me $1, I'll buy $1. Congratulations, Mohammed. Afternoon all. Ed Nevius is here. Ed Nevius, one of our great friends, great supporters, members of the family, and all the rest of it. Here comes the Costa Rica badge. There it is, right at the end there. See it? There's Costa Rica, right above my head. That is especially for you. Especially for you. Thanks for liking the stream, Paul. Carlos Hildargo. There's your Costa Rica flag. Now then. Good God. If I won that much. Yeah, I know, Mike. Can you imagine? Can you imagine winning 65 grand? Ah! It's like, bloody hell. I'm like, oh my God. Do I tell Leah? Oh, I don't know. That's going under the bed. Oh, man. Can't believe it. Anyway, so congrats, Mo. New nickname is a great coffee. Your new nickname, congrats, Mocha. Yeah, your nickname is a great coffee. I love it. What was your winning strategy? Yeah, what did you do? Wow, 65 grand. Congratulations. Yeah, everyone's going, can't believe it. Anyway, Ed Nevius is here. I see the flag. Thank you very much. You're very welcome. When you come into Discord, I want to upgrade you, okay? So make sure that you come into Discord so I can upgrade you. And The Rock as well. We had The Rock earlier. Is Rock here? You didn't upgrade either. So I need to upgrade you as well. Anyway, what's important right now? Let me get rid of that a minute. There was something I was going to say. And I can't remember what it was now. This is annoying. What was I going to say? Someone help me, please. What was I? Oh yes, Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius is having a bit of a difficult time right now. It's one of my friends. We had a private conversation last night, and you all know Ed Nevius has been supporting the show, but he's got a few personal things to deal with right now. He's having a bit of a difficult time. So send some love now to Ed. Love to Ed in the chat, and I've got to play something for Ed especially. Love to Ed. Yeah, Rock, did I get you on Discord earlier? I don't think I've upgraded you. I don't think I've upgraded you on Discord yet. Here is Discord. There. There's Discord, okay? I want everyone to spam the channel. Love to Ed. He's been working so hard, giving us all the scalp trades every morning, getting up really early in the morning. He's having some difficulties now, some issues, some personal issues I don't want to go into, but I want the whole channel to go crazy. He's been getting up at 3 in the morning, supporting everybody, and now he's got some difficult issues to deal with. I wanted to play this. This is when Ed called in when he was the happiest he could possibly be, and I wanted to bring it out today because I know this will make Ed feel better. You ready, Ed? This is going to make you feel better. Remember, no matter how hard life gets, when it's raining, it means the sun comes next, always. It doesn't rain forever, because only a week ago you felt like this. 1 week ago. And 1 week from now, you might feel like this again. So to Ed, this was you 1 week ago.
Hey, how are you, Martin? I love this show. You know what? Everybody become a member to the Martyn Lucas channel. We love each other. We cry together. We laugh together. We confuse the hell out of each other. There ain't no reason why not to join.
There you go. Ed, that was you a week ago, on top of the world.
Hey, how are you, Martin? I love this show. You know what? Everybody become a member to the Martyn Lucas channel. We love each other. We cry together. We laugh together. We confuse the hell out of each other. There ain't no reason why not to join.
There you go, Ed. I wanted to play that to you so you could remember that's how you felt a week ago, and that is how you'll feel again. Ed's having a few issues right now, having a very, very hard time. And look, everyone's blown up. The channel is spammed up. And one more time, Ed, listen to how you felt a week ago.
Hey, how are you, Martin? I love this show. You know what? Everybody become a member to the Martyn Lucas channel. We love each other. We cry together. We laugh together. We confuse the hell out of each other. There ain't no reason why not to join.
There you go. Look at all the love coming through. Love to Ed, loads of it. Okay, the rock's coming through as well. Love to Ed, I love it. Love that, thanks to Ed. Okay, love to you all, says Ed. There you go. See, that's what it's all about. All right, thank you for all the comments there. Appreciate it very much indeed. There you are. The family's all behind you. You're never, ever alone on this channel, the whole world. Always look on the bright side of life. Yeah, always. You've got no bloody choice, really. I love you all. There you go. He's feeling better already, right, Ed? You feel better already, right? Of course you bloody do. It's only stuff. It's only stuff. It's only stuff. It's only life. You know, we all live. We all die. It's what you do in between that counts. Cheers, Ed. Look at all the love. Look. Yes, I will get better. See? You're already better now. Whatever it's your hope, you're improving soon. And we all love you, Ed. Part of the family. There you go. Okay. So, we've got half an hour before the bell goes, and Carlos and Rock, we are waiting to update you on Discord. Everyone's waiting there. Mike and Eric are waiting there to let you know what's going on. All right. Okay. The overall portfolio is down today, not looking good. The S&P is down, feeling better. See, mate? Told you.
Hey, how are you, Martin? I love this show. You know what? Everybody become a member to the Martyn Lucas channel.
Virgin
we love
Galactic.
each other. We cry together. We laugh together. We confuse the hell out of each other. There ain't no reason why not to join.
There you go. Much love back all. There you go. Feeling better already, mate. See? See? It's like a bloody magic trick, isn't it? It's like a bloody magic trick. All right. Okay. Robinhood, still going sideways now. Hi, I am here. Rock, I know you're here, but you need to be on Discord. I want to upgrade you. You are now a YouTube member. You have many perks, including birthdays. You can have polls. You can ask me any question. I will reply to you. I will reply back on all your social media. If you ever go silver, you'll go on the homepage of my YouTube channel, get everyone to subscribe to you. Lots of perks and benefits. One of those is Discord. And this is Discord where we're waiting to upgrade your account so you can talk to everybody off air, find out what we're trading, find out what we're doing. And you can also call into the show. That's how I got the sound bites from Ed and anybody else that calls in. Stock news. Okay, Crag. Safe banking has 10 Republican votes needed for passing. Let's have a little look. Safe banking now has 10 Republican votes needed for passage, according to Cancer Industry Insider. Okay. Let's have a little look. The issues of marijuana is banking pressing concern of cannabis passed 7 times on a bipartisan basis. Say banking has never support make it through. This latest gambit share the same fate? According to one industry insider, this time may be different. According to the new intel, I'm just reading this information here. Prominent member of the Senate banking, the group. Just see if we can give any credence to this at all. The group currently studying a safe banking legislation, in which led a hearing in May, as the 10 votes needed to pass a potential Senate floor. On our latest Trade to Black podcast, Mr. Jones said that he recently met with Senator Steve Daines, a member of Senate Banking Committee. While the meeting agenda was broad, the issue of safe banking was addressed directly, straight to the point. Rob Secrist reports that Senator Daines, I'm just reading this thinking, is this worth buying Tilray on this news? Assuming a committee markup vote receives majority support sometime over the next few weeks, a floor vote on SAFE would appear increasingly likely. The markup session allows committee members to offer modifications to the bill's language. Because I wonder. Now, this news, when did this news come out? How old is this news? June the 20th. It was yesterday. That's why the stock popped. Okay, that was yesterday. It would work, right? I think there would be an Oscar-winning film, and the central theme being this live stream with dude stories of specific members and the backstory of World Piano Man doing David Brent. Jojo S. It's brilliant. It's a brilliant idea. I love it. Love Ed. Yeah, that's quite funny. I'll give you that. That's very, very good. I'm looking at this news now and thinking about it a minute. Thanks for sending in the information. I'm just checking down. Thanks, Bill. You sent some information as well. Oh, look at this. Has anyone done this? Your Discord rank. Do you want to know how high you rank? What is the code again now? What is the code to do it? Bill, can you remind me what it is to find out how high you rank in Discord? Can you remind me? I can't remember now. Where did I do this? It was in... Can you remind me? Because you've just done it. Titles, Virgin Galactic, Social Blade. Let's have a look. Oh, here we go. Discord rank. Where did I write that down? I can't remember where I wrote that down. Discord rank. How you find out your ranking on Discord? Can you remind me how you do that? I'm looking down at my notes to see if I can find it. I can't find it. There's something you can do, Bill. Just write it in the chat. Oh, it's just hashtag rank, is it? Okay, is that all it is? No, that's not it. That's not it. It's not that. RAN. No, it's not that, Bill. What else do you write? It's not that. Can anyone remember? Oh, is it /rank. I can't remember what it is now. No, it's not that. Oh, God, I can't remember. Anybody remember what it is? You can find out how high you rank in the platform, how popular you are on the thing. I can't remember. What did you write in, Bill? It's not just rank. It isn't that. Because if it was that, it would have worked. No, it's not that. I don't know what it is. Anyway, if anyone could remember, let me know. Let me go down the comments. Who is ZS Slaw? Let me go and have a little look. Have we got someone just come in, have we? Oh, yes. There you go. Hi, I'm on Discord. Okay. Who is this? Is it? I just tried /rank. That didn't work either. Go to YouTube and confirm. Thanks, Mike. So ZS Law. I want to know who that is. Is that it? /rank. Let's try it then. I just did that and nothing happened. /rank. You've got to do it in this one here, haven't you? /rank. Get a list of... I don't know. No, that's not it. That's not it. That's not right either. No, that's not it. No one has a clue. Anyway, ZS Law, we need to find out who you are. Bill, I tried that. That didn't work. Anyway. Tilray, up 2.9 today. I'm looking at it. I'm sort of thinking whether I should buy some more Tilray. I don't know right now. There is a link above. Moo says check rank. I don't understand what you're saying, Bill. There's a link above what? I don't know what you mean. I have no idea what you mean when you're saying there's a link above Moo. There's a link above Moo. I have no idea what that means, Bill. There's a link above. You mean there's a link above me? Is that what you mean? I'm not sure what to do. It's my server and I ain't got a clue. Let's try again. Let's try RANK. No, it's not that. RANK. No, it ain't that. On the list of links, on Discord. I'm sorry. Ranks. I'm sorry. I don't understand what Bill's saying. Ranks. No, that doesn't work. No, that doesn't work either. Hi all, says Keaton S. How are you, mate? No, never mind. I'll try and suss it out later. If anyone knows how to get their rank, let me know and I will do it. We can find out who's the most active on the thing. We'll give a prize away. Keaton S. Welcome to you. How are you, Keaton? We're looking at Tilray this afternoon, whether we should buy Tilray or not. Because of this news, but it's only like a conversation. It's not really anything. It's not any guarantee of anything. And to be perfectly honest, if it was anything really major, the stock would have gone up a lot more than 2.9 when it's all down 31%. Honestly, I don't know. Check messages I sent, screenshots. Okay, I'm going to go and check. Bill sent me messages. You haven't sent me a message. What, if you text me? Okay, I can't really. I'll try and check text. You've sent me a text, have you? Bloody hell, Bill. What's going on here? You've sent me a... Right, your Discord rank. Yeah, you just sent me a picture of the channels. I don't know how that helps, though, Bill. You just sent me that. I don't know what that does. Bill, I'm not sure I know what that does. It's just a picture of the channels. I can see that. Can anyone? Does anyone know how to? Do your rank on Discord? We're trying to find out how. I used to do it, and I've no idea how to do it anymore. Anyway, the S&P is still going down. The S&P, yeah, still going down. Makes sense to lower those averages. It's going to rally at some stage. I agree, but I just don't know if, because they've got so much debt, if they can get past. Shows link to check rank. Yeah, but all you're doing, Bill, is showing me the channel. I've been in the channel. I'm in the channel, but I want to know what the code is, what you type in, and what you're saying. Hashtag rank doesn't work. That's all I'm saying. I want to know what you type in. That isn't working. I keep trying that. Anyway, not to worry. We'll move on. Everybody else thinking I don't care about my rank. Tilray has already ate my lunch. I don't want back in. Good luck to everyone else. I know, I'm feeling the same thing. It's only a little bit of news, and it's not really of any importance. I mean, it doesn't really say anything. It doesn't tell you the stock's going to go up. All it says is there might be some, discussion. It doesn't tell you anything, though. It doesn't confirm anything about anything. It's just they're having a conversation. Well, I can put a thing on the internet and say tomorrow I might have a conversation with Elon Musk and I might buy out Tesla. It doesn't mean anything. It's not a reason to buy in. The company is losing money. Debts are spiraling. I'm not going to sell, but I don't know if I want to put any more money in it when it might just sit. It might sit down here. And don't forget, it could go down another 50% from here. It's at 159 now. The company isn't worth anything, right? It's worth 964 million. Let me just refresh the screen. 964 million. It's worth 979 million. Well, yeah, okay. It's not a small company. I'll give you that. But I don't know. I don't know if it's a guarantee of anything. It's because big tech isn't performing today. Yeah. I mean, to be honest, with that news everyone's excited about, it should have popped up more than that. And it hasn't. And it's starting to fall back again. Like I think Tio Rolls hit it right on the head. I think you've got other stocks underperforming and people are looking for opportunity to make money. So they're buying a bit of Tilray. I think that really is all we can say about it. I don't think it's that exciting. I'd like to say it is exciting, but I don't think I can get that excited about it. You don't always want to be just jumping on every news item and buying it for the sake of it. I think that's a bad idea. Anyway, we shall see. If it does pop up, it will go way up from 30%. I'll have plenty of money in it. The only upside to doing it now is if you buy an average down. Let's say, for example, I double my position. I spend another $600 and I half from 30% to 15% down. Once it goes up 15%, thanks, Mike, for liking the stream on Facebook. Appreciate that. Once it goes up 15%, I can then take some of my money out. League rank, no, it's not that. It's not that. I just like my own stream. I was just testing it. That's the Facebook stream right now. No, it's not that. I had it written down once, and there's somewhere you can find it, but I can't remember. Denny, thank you ever so much. So you could then, at 15%, you could get your money back out, and then at least you've lowered your average. There is that way of looking at it, but remember, you've got to go up 30% to get your money out. Because if all you're doing is selling your original stocks at a loss, so you remember the FIFO rule. My average price is 224, 30%. So just because I buy today, double the amount and half my loss, right? If it goes up 15%, I'm not selling those stocks. I'm selling the ones I bought for another 50. So I'm actually making a 15% loss. So it's got to go up 30% anyway. It just means that I can go up 30%. I can sell half my position, and at least I'm back in a safe place. That's assuming it's going to go up 30%. We don't know that. So I think there's better stocks, better companies. And to be perfectly honest, if it wasn't for Peru, and we know how manipulative he was, I don't think I'd even own Tilray. I would rather own Coca-Cola or the S&P 500 personally, or Tesla. Anyway, you're welcome. Thanks, mate. It says there are no ranks on this server. Is message on Discord? Yeah, I don't get it. Bill did it though. Bill got it to work. So Bill knows what the code is. Bill did it because I'm looking at the, if you go into your Discord rank, Bill did it. Look, this is Bill's rank. Whatever Bill did, whatever Bill typed in, he knows what it is. Because look, he is 693. He is 693. Bill's done it. Whatever Bill typed in is what you type in. But anyway, I agree about Peru. Yeah, exactly. It was very manipulative. And there's several stocks that I would have never bought. And he was right on some of them. But I think most of it, he was just promoting stocks that he wanted to promote. Because we now know he works for an agency. And it's their job to go around manipulating YouTubers. So, anyway. I tried that, Bill. That doesn't work. I tried that. Maybe if I put my name in. No. It doesn't work. See, it doesn't work for Mike either. It doesn't work for you, Bill. See that can't be what you typed in, because if that's what you typed in, Bill, it would have worked. That isn't what you typed in earlier. When you did that, that's not what you typed in, because otherwise it would be there now. So it's not that. If you ever work it out, let us know. Anyway, Mike's going, what is it? I don't know. It's bloody complicated, isn't it? No one knows. Yeah, bloody hell. Yeah. Mike's going, bloody hell. How does this thing work? I've got no idea. Careful, Martin. He might to not send you any more of those 8 cents crypto tips. I know. I got to be careful. Yeah. He likes to be the Superman. Yeah, I'm the big man. I give 8 cents tips. Yeah, well, we've moved on since then. We're not a channel with 4 people watching where 8 cents is everything. All right, we've moved on from there now. Google it. Tony Betch is going, just Google it. Yeah, that's all very well for you saying Google it. Google it. What do you Google? What do you Google? Eh? Tell me what you Google. No one bloody knows. It's a mystery. Anyway, we've got 50 minutes to go. It's a bit of a yucky day, really, isn't it? But we're still here. We haven't bought anything. We haven't traded anything. We haven't sold anything. Virgin Galactic is still doing well. We need to remind ourselves. Red days are great. Look, let's just remember. Let's just get some perspective. We are up 30% in a week on Virgin Galactic. So when we're all sitting here going, oh, this is rubbish, we're up 30% in a week. 30%. That is triple the average for the S&P in 3 years in a week. So, margin has finally arrived. What are you? Why do you always say that, Inbound? I don't get the joke. I don't think anybody else does either. He always reckons everyone's about to get margin called, even though we're not in margin. I've never understood it. I don't get the joke. Right, it's a yucky day today. Thursday, tomorrow, 22nd of June. Hopefully it'll be better. But Tilray, we're looking at it. We've got a few people here saying we should buy it. Shall we have a vote? Shall we have a vote? Should we buy Tilray? There's this potential. But again, it's just news. Just news. Let's Let's see who votes for this. Should we buy Tilray? With the news I just put out a minute ago, which is not that much really. Just rumors of stuff might happen some point in the future. That's not financial reason to spend money, is it? I mean, is that it? Yeah, I'm going to put all my money in because someone said they might talk about it at some point, sometime in the future. And even then it may or not make a difference. Yep, that's a reason. It's not a reason. Should we buy Tilray? Yes or no? Let's see what anyone says. This world has lots of margin, hiding in the shadows and plain sights. Well, it ain't. I haven't got any margin hidden in the shadows. Inbound, there's no margin hidden in the shadows whatsoever. I can assure you of that. Ion Q up today. Ford down. It's a rubbish day, really. Rio Tinto, Crag. I think if you believe in the stock, then buy. If you think it's going down, leave it. It's an oversold territory. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the chart, shall we? What the hell? It's not oversold though, see? See, you're telling me it's oversold. It's not. This is what I'm saying. That is not oversold. Down here is oversold. That's not oversold. It's right in the middle of the RSI. There's nothing about that that's screaming buy me. Now, if we look at it over a week, no, it's not. In the RSI, it's not screaming overbought, oversold, I beg your pardon. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Over the last 3 months, I mean, it's running along the bottom. I could just zoom in there a little bit, look. But it's not. If it was really, really worth, if it was dramatic, it'd be down here. It's nowhere near. It'd be down at 10. It's not. I don't think it's screaming. I think it's in the past, the days of Peru, I would have probably gone, yeah, buy it. But I don't. And at the end of the day, if this goes up, other stocks will be going up anyway. I'm making money somewhere else in a much more secure fashion. And I don't know. I've looked at it, and when the CEO Simon sold when the stocks were down, it's certainly not oversold. There you go, Thomas. It's not oversold. I agree, 100%, 100%. Nah, I don't know. I need more of a reason. Bitcoin now at 30,000. Yep. This is the warning level now. I think it's going to go to 31, 32, and then back all the way to 15. That's my average. That's where I own it. And that's when I buy it. I won't be selling it. Don't get me wrong. I can't read the future. I'm not going to sell it now and then buy it at 15. No, because it will come back here, but I'm going to add more at 15. And then what I will do is once it gets to 30 again, I will trim half of it off. So I don't need to keep adding. So you can see, look, my average cost. Now you might go, hang on a minute, you've only got $13. I haven't. It's sitting on my ledger. That's just where I keep it enough to see what my average is. I know what my average is. I know what my average is. It's 15,000, and that just reminds me of what it is. But anyway, at all-time high is a double from here. Not bad. No, I think it can go to 60,000. I think that's likely. However, I'm just simply saying I think it's going to go down before it goes there. That's all I'm saying. Now, if you buy it now, that's fine. If it goes from 30 to 60, what the hell? But why would you? Why would you not prefer to pay at 15? That's all I'm saying. Matic's the same thing, but again, I buy it for a use case. Let's have a look. There you go. Look, 59% are saying no. There's not that much conviction to just jump in and buy Tilray. I think the management have done an awful job. I think Simon done an awful job. I mean, let's be straight. They diluted when the stock was nearly worthless. They did it because they had to do it to clear debts. They didn't do it to reinvest. They did it to clear debts, and rates are staying high. So debts are still expensive. Anyway, that's my thought on it. How many years will it take to do what? To get the safe banking pass? I've no idea. Another 10 years, maybe. Virgin Galactic is coming up. We've got 8 minutes to go now. Yeah, we've got everyone trying now. Ranks doesn't work. Everyone's trying it. Everyone's trying it. It's like really annoying, isn't it? It's like no one even gets how it works. No one gets how it works. I don't know. It's very complicated stuff. Very complicated. Okay. What about space? What about space? There's not much to say today. There's nothing to say with space right now. There is no news. There's nothing going on. I can make up some stuff if you want. I can make up some stories to get you all to watch a video so I can make some money. But that's not my style. I can't make anything up. I can only tell you what's going on, what I'm doing, and there is nothing to say on Virgin Galactic right now. Why it's not breaking over 6? Well, the reason for that is people are greedy and impatient. The only reason why it went back down is because people sold it. It's very straightforward. There's no rocket science here. If there's selling pressure, it's going down. That's it. People are selling it and it goes down. That's it. That's how the market makers work. Martin, did you address Rocket Lab's launch the other day? Did I address it? Did I cover it? No, I didn't. I didn't even look at it. Craig, thank you ever so much for the question, but no, I didn't. According to Fox Business, potential IPO for Starlink could be early as this year. It'll be a spin-off. I tell you what. Let's do that for a poll. I know the answer. I absolutely know the answer. I know the answer to this one. Let me look at this. Let's start a poll. With the IPO coming out, would you buy Starlink? Oh my gosh. This is the biggest question. One of the big ones. Yes or no? Would you buy Starlink? All right. Elon Musk's satellite launch for internet. It puts internet into the air. Puts satellites up that you use for internet. Right. Would you buy Starlink IPO? There you go. Let's see who'd buy that. I believe there was an attack to make the stock go over 10% on the downside. Attack. Oh, I believe there was an attack. TJ Mann, you believe that? Why do you assume that? Which suggests there won't be short naked tomorrow SSR rule. What do you mean by that? Explain a bit more what you mean. Maybe it's traders trading the range who want to ride the wave several times. Yes. Yeah. I'm not selling it though. I'm not selling it. Apparently the main motive is for Elon Musk to raise more capital so that he doesn't have to sell any more Tesla. Yeah, that'll upset everybody. Definitely profit taking at the minute on SPCE. I'm going long, so not worried. I think we'll see it over 6 before flights next week. So do I. I mean, I'm really confident of that. I mean, we must all be really confident of that, right? I mean, I am really confident of that. I don't have any doubt about that. So no, I'm definitely holding my position as well. This rank thing is okay. I've written it down here. But this I've already tried this. No, it's not that. I thought I'd found it. Anyway, let's have a little look. So today, Space was over 10% down at one point. Yes, it was. I would buy Starlink with my Dogecoin. Yeah, great idea. Do you think we will have a drop on the flight or after, as next flight is not until August? Yeah, I think, well, if we're going to compare it to previous action, then yes, we would have to say that. However, I think it's different now, because before we had nothing in between. Now we've got things happening in between. Now we've got consistency now. So I don't know if it's the right thing to do to keep buying and selling like we've had before. Let's just agree on this, I think. This action here, test flight, nothing. Test flight, dilution. Test flight, all this. I think those days are gone, because there's stuff happening now regularly. And I think the big boys will start buying up the shares. If you start doing this, we all buy, we sell, I think you're going to get caught out. I think the stock is going to go up, and then you're going to think, I'm waiting for a pullback, and then it'll keep going up. And then, I'm waiting for a pullback, and then it'll go. And then everybody will jump in here thinking, it's good. I think that's not the way to play it anymore. I'm just going to hold my position unless I feel I can do more with my money once it's gone up. If that, comes at that point. And I will address that when that happens. Did Mullen start production? I haven't heard anything like that. I don't pay that much attention to Mullen, if I'm honest. I think it's a load of rubbish. I'm just looking to get my money out. 25%. I'm still down 89% though. Or could the big money jump in? Says Crag. Space needs to break through 640 resistance before it moves up big time. Yes. I would buy Starlink, assuming it's reasonable valuation. Yeah, it's not going to be. It's not going to be. Look what happened to Rivian. Oh, hang on a minute. I nearly missed the bell. Blooming hell. Unbelievable. We got 30 seconds to go. I can't believe I nearly missed the bell. Unbelievable. I nearly missed the bell. 30 seconds to go. Today's bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. Links are below. Information is coming up in a minute. Ding, 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 ding. I can't believe it. Okay, the bell goes in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding. The bell has now gone, and we are in the after hours. Let's have a look at the action, see if we can find anything. I remember when Space was that high. I actually know somebody who was almost in at 60, rode it all the way down on margin. However, he got out at 25, but still a major loss. Oh, my God. Yes. Mullen's going up. 20 cents a share now. I just thought about something. For $50, I could double my position in Mullen. Should we all buy Mullen for the hell of it? I just realised that. For $57, I can double my position. That's insane, isn't it? There's a rumour Mullen started production. I'm going to do it. I've got $100. I've got, hang on, if I buy 300 shares. Oh, what the hell? I'm going to do it. Oh, bloody hell. Got to do security checks. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I got a feeling. I got a feeling for the sake of it. I don't care. Purely speculation at this point. Moos and Ella's in this one. Right, see my average. I'm down 80%. That should have come down more than that. How come that didn't come down more than that? I was already down 80%. I just doubled my position. Surely it should have come down more than that. I don't get that. I just doubled my position. I'm just buying some more. I'm trying to bring my average down. 76%. If you double your position, you should half your loss. Am I missing something there? Am I missing something there? Nightwolf TV. Martin, have a good voice. Super. Thank you ever so much. Nightwolf. Hello there. How are you? We've got a new guest here. Nightwolf TV says, Martin, have a good voice. Thank you very much. I don't understand why that didn't. If you double your position, you should halve your average. In my calculations, I'm confused why that didn't come down more than that. Something's going on. A rumour they've started production. A lot of us have bought into things that I probably shouldn't have. I bought 180 shares of Arrival. yeah, I did that as well. I did that as well. Thank you very much. Ongoing struggle. X. Let's have a look. It got as low as 16. What's going on? Is there any reason? It's just a silly rumor. Is it just a rumor? What's going on? There's something happening with Mullen. That's a jump. We're trying to find out. Oh, I bet I know why. What did it buy it for? $20. What did I just buy it for? No, I bought it at the right price. 20. Stock lending. I've earned money on the stock, so actually I've made some money out of it from stock lending. Not if you buy the same quantity, it will reduce average by half the difference. No, not half the average. Half the difference. No, you've got me there. My brain's not working. My brain's not working. Number of shares, 1,000. What's that? I'm just got something. I just bought 1,000 shares of Mullen on my main account. Let's see. When I've doubled my position and I'm down 10%, and I double my position, I'm now down 5%. That's how it works. It's always worked like that before, so I don't quite know why. Anyway. It's going up. It's going up quickly. Look. What's happening with Mullen? What is going on with Mullen right now? If old is 19, sorry. What's going on there? You take the difference of the new old price, cut it in half and add it to the new. I sold all my Mullen at $10 today. I sold all my Mullen for $10 today. I lost about $500. Oh, yeah, that's like me. That's like me. But I've just looked at this and something's happening. Someone just said there's a rumor. Again, rumors are very dangerous, so don't suddenly don't go crazy on it. But I mean, we shall see. I've just bought a little bit. So if the old is 10 and the new is 20, the difference is 10. Cut this in half, it's 5. Add 5 to the new price of 10 equals 15. So the new average is 15. No, I get that. It's at the end of the day. All right. So anyway, let's have a look. Most of you, 68% of you would buy Starlink. Let me end the poll a minute. Are you buying Mullen? Are you buying Mullen at this? Something's happening. Are you buying Mullen? Yes or no? Remember, the earnings report was a complete shambles, but it's definitely moving. I'm up 1%. I've just bought a position. Always set a limit. Buy or sell, limit sell. I have been surprised also, yeah. I was okay, though. I was okay on it. I did it quick, but I was okay. I checked the price, and it went for the right price. Because we're at 20 now. And I paid 20, look. Look, I paid 20 cents. And if we go to the Roth, yeah, you can get caught out. But Robinhood has pretty much been good for me like that. See, same with the Roth at 20 cents. So it went for at the right price. It didn't take from me. It was okay. Anyway, it takes a minute. Mullen is too much of a headache, says Dion. Or the same if the old is 20 and the new is 10. Yeah, I understand where you were going with that. Always set a limit. You should always do that. But I was just jumping in quick. I think Mullen should adopt Tesla charging station. That would make it fly. Did not hear any news about production. Now, where's that coming from? FIFO rules. First in, first out. Yes. Ed says it takes a minute. Are you going to stream Tilray earnings? Yes. Yes, I am. I cover all the earnings. If there's any earnings coming up and you're concerned that I don't know about it, remind me in case I miss it. July 27th, yeah, I will cover it. I cover all the major earnings, all the ones that I've got stocks with. With Hypersonic is space $1 trillion company. With Hypersonic, it is SPCE a $1 trillion company. Well, we can't say that far ahead. We don't know how the company's going to do short term yet, let alone that far ahead. FIFO rules, first in, first out. That's right. Close it, then go back into it. Yeah, I've done that, mate. I get burned every time I jump. Go over SPCE after hours. Go over SPCE after hours. Let's have a little look. Yep, it's going up. New news just released from Virgin Galactic. Danny Ellis, you're not a member of the channel. If you were, you could send in the link into Discord. So become a member and become a part of my research team. Has anybody else seen anything new? I don't have anything new from Virgin Galactic just yet. Let me give Danny Ellis the link there to become a member so he can send it in. Virgin always releases news after market. Why? Let's have a quick look. I don't see anything happening yet. Let me go Virgin Galactic. I'm not getting anything on the wires. It's not nothing major popping. Let's have a look. Any news? Any news? Any news? Any news? This summer, no. Space for the curious. We know all about that. I want to ask this question. All right. I know it's not related. Well, it is. I want to ask this question. Why is this? Can someone tell me why this is the case? It seems whenever you have a space company, this one or SpaceX, they always feel you need to go into space with a pair of welly boots on. Why? Does anyone know why you need to go into space with a pair of Wellington boots? I want to go in a nice pair of trainers. I don't want Wellington boots. I don't see why. You're not walking in the mud. You're not jumping in puddles. Why do you always need it? SpaceX did the same thing. SpaceX, everyone's dressed like they got Wellington boots on. Why? You're sitting in like a plane, right? It's a tourism company. I want to sit there with my slippers on. I want to wear comfy slippers. Why do I have to wear Wellington boots? I don't know why. Why? Evan Lovell has passed away. Is that one of the guys who went to the moon? Is that right? Evan Lovell? Am I right there? Jim Lovell's dad or uncle or something like that? Am I right? Anyway, why do we always need Wellington boots to go into space? Don't know why. I want to know why. Dow Jones Newswire. Send it, maybe static. Hey, I was thinking that when I was saying it, but I don't see why you can't have rubber on the bottom of your boots. Why do you have to have Wellington boots all the time? So there is no news there. The answer is Beth. She can make ugly way more. Yeah, Beth Rigby. Not Beth Rigby. What's her name? Beth Moses. Yeah, that's the reason. Everybody wants to wear rubber boots round Beth Moses. Maybe for the photos. All right. I'll tell you what. Let's make a video. This is a fun. I want to make a video. Chairman of the Space Board. I haven't got that information. I need the information sent in. Danny Ellis, if you got the information, I would broadcast it once I verified it. I want to make a video. Sod it. I'm going to make a funny, funny Virgin Galactic video. And 1 hour 14. 1 hour 14. Okay, here we go. This is going to be a Beth Moses video. This is going to be funny. Beth Moses. Beth Moses welly boots. This is not right. I shouldn't be making videos like this, right? But I don't care. I want to, and that's it. It's my show, innit? I'll do what I want. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, Mike? It's my show. Okay, right. I'm gonna get that there. Look, Beth Moses. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do it. You know I'm gonna do it. Right, ready? Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We got a serious question now for all of our Virgin Galactic investors. We want to know, why is it that whether you are SpaceX or Virgin Galactic, you have to wear welly boots when you go into space? Why? Why is it? Let's scroll down here and look. Everyone's wearing welly boots. There's no rain. There's no puddles. Why are we wearing welly boots? Now, some people have suggested it has everything to do with Beth Moses. Apparently, most of the guys in our show today say, I want to wear welly boots around Beth Moses. So I would like, and there's going to be a prize for the best comment, right? Comment below why we need to wear rubber Wellington boots around Beth Moses. It's a bit of fun. Leave it in the comments below, and there might be a prize for this. There might not, but there might be. There normally is. I'll think of something, all right? So I'm going to pick the best comment, all right? Why is it that we have to wear rubber Wellington boots around Beth Moses? Apparently everyone thinks Beth Moses is the face of Virgin Galactic, and she's very, very nice, and she looks good in her outfit. But I want to know why we all need to wear rubber Wellington boots when we're around Beth Moses. There you go. The best comment below is going to win a prize. Can't think what it will be. It'll be something. It might be rubbish, but nevertheless, I want to know what your thoughts are. The best comment, leave it below. Until next time, hang on a minute. We got comments coming in to give you some ideas of the best comments. There has to be some sort of rubber worn. This is just what's coming in now from my viewers. What else have we got? Eric B. He's rolling around laughing. Tia Roll, breaking news. It is absolutely breaking news. Breaking news that we're all wearing rubber with Beth Moses. Don't know why. We need to find out. For uneven ground. Uneven ground, if you find yourself walking around the rocket ship and there's a few little pebbles, a bit of a beach, we don't want to fall over. Health and safety in America. You know, we're all about health and safety. Buckaroony says, reporting on how NASA designed astronauts' boots when its space programs began and the special problems created by the moon landings. Yeah, but no one's landing on the moons. No one's landing on the moon. Don't know why I said moons. There's only one moon. And as Mike says, as always, it's your show, Martin. You do what you like. So if you've just joined in right now and you're thinking, what sort of video is this? You're damn right. It's been a long day. We're having some fun. We thought we'd have some fun. Why do astronauts and people that fly to space wear silly suits and rubber boots? We want to know. Do you wear a rubber boot when you're around Beth Moses? Leave me your thoughts below. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there we go. I'll put that out in a minute. I'll put that out. Check out links for Discord. There is a Google article on space at astronaut boots on links for YouTube. Thank you very much. They don't have my size, Beth. Hope not. Maybe there is so... what? Maybe there is so... Rock, I don't get that. I don't get that comment. They want to befriend aliens who have the same taste. Probably. Bloody hell, it's to keep the smell in. Oh, God. All right. It's all very confusing, isn't it? It's all very confusing. Skill, bad habit. When do you think we could hit $10 on space? Well, it's not going to happen until we fly, is it? Anyway, let's get off this a minute. Let's get off this. There's no news. Someone just said there's news, but I didn't see any news. I'm looking for it, and I don't see any news. Nothing on any of the socials at all for Virgin Galactic. Nothing on the news wires. But apparently there's some news. I don't know what it is. June 15th. No, there is no news. I get this all the time. People want me to say there's news, but I ain't going to make it up. I ain't going to make it up for anyone. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is up 0.5%. We just bought some mullen. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I'm now down 76%. Rubber boots might be useful in airline toilets, especially with a bit of turbulence. Yeah, there's going to be turbulence in space, mate. I'm telling you. As you fly past Saturn, there's a bit of turbulence. All right, so anyway, Pete, thank you for that insight. Thank you for the insight. I'll put out the video in a minute. It's going to be my funniest ever video, I'll tell you. The best video I've ever done. Anyway. Mullen. Do you think it will get parabolic if it gets on primetime news and into the papers again? I don't know, because there's a lot of fear around Virgin Galactic. Whenever I talk to big money investors, they won't touch it. They just think there's better opportunities out there. Nitz would be proud of you, Martin. Nitz. Yeah. He'd be proud of me. Anyway. We've got to get off. So, got to get serious now. We've got to get serious. We've got 5 days to go before our 2nd anniversary of the show. Okay? And if we get to 1 million views, there's going to be a big surprise. Okay? Plus, on top of the big surprise, I'm going to be drinking whiskey all day. It's a members-only event. Only members can come, because I don't want the whole world seeing me get drunk. It's not professional. It's not professional. And I think if you're going to be unprofessional, do it behind closed doors. That's what Boris Johnson did. He ended up getting caught. But, you know, it's my show, innit? I can do what I want. I'm going to do it behind closed doors. I love the entertainment and insight. Thank you, Martin. You're very welcome. Talking about Lucid, by the way. I think Lucid is about to go bust. I really do. Lucid today is down again. Look at this. I think there's no value in Lucid right now. So Lucid program. I love the entertainment and insight. Yeah, it's wonderful insights into the world of Virgin Galactic, innit? Anyway, let me just check a couple of things. Let's have a look. Right. Now then, we are just on track for the 1 million views. If you want to, tomorrow morning, I'll give you an update. He was surprised with a surprise. He was surprised with a surprise cake. What does that mean? Poor Bojo. Who's Bojo? Have I missed something here? Less clean up when you pee your pants. Just go in your boots. All right. Okay, I tell you what. I'm going to do a follow-up. No, I won't do a follow-up. I thought Lucid was getting investment from the PIF. I believe Lucid's going to go private. That's what I think. It'd be a bit like Virgin Orbit. Remember, statistically, about 80%. Oh, Boris. Boris, yeah. 80% of stocks that are speculative won't be around in 5 years. That's just statistically true. So, you know, most of these companies that we're buying won't be around for 5 years. Just got to bear that in mind. The shorts playlist is at the bottom. Click the playlist and scroll down for a few pages. Yes, this is what we're trying to do, right? This is serious now. We need to dedicate this entire show to this now, right? It's very, very important, right? Because I want to surprise everybody. I want a really great day in 5 days' time, the second birthday, if we get 1 million views. And remember, we've got to do it one day before to refresh, so we've got 1 million views on the day. So this is this is the shorts playlist, all right? And if you don't know where it is, I'm going to show you how to find it. This is the shorts playlist. Click on it and let it run. There are 1,015-second videos, all right? I'll show you what it looks like. Look, it's that. See that? Look, that's the playlist. Just let it run, right? And if you're thinking, well, how do you find that then? How do you find that if I don't use the link? Well, first of all, use the link. Don't be so lazy. But if you are insisting on being lazy, it's fine. Just go to the homepage of the YouTube channel. If you want to watch the videos, there's the videos that come out in time order. There's the videos that come out in time order. And if you refresh that, because I didn't refresh this earlier, there's the latest videos that have come out in time order. Okay. And what you do is go playlist. And Mike, Eric is right. Scroll all the way to the bottom. These are all the playlists. If you want to watch Target, Walmart, Ethereum, McDonald's, Meta, whatever you want. Right? But that's not what we're doing here right now. What we're doing here right now is we're looking for the shorts playlist, which is right at the bottom, in the right-hand corner at the bottom. There it is. There it is. And you click play all like that. Like that. You click play all like that. You haven't got to listen to it. You can mute me. I'm not going to come around your house and get all funny. Just press loop, and then if you want to do that, you can just click, what do they call it? What's this one called? It's called the shuffle. So it's just not in any particular order. I don't care. Doesn't matter. But the point is, it goes through the videos. And we've got lots of naysayers, them people, them negative people. And they say, you're not going to get to 1 million views. You can't do it. You're nobody. You're a rubbish person. All of that. And I went, I might be a rubbish person, but the people that watch my channel are brilliant. So it's not about me. Oh, you're not going to get to 1 million views. You're an idiot. All right, then. Fair enough. I'll ask the Lucas aides and see. Anyway, so that's what you do. All right? I've given you a job now because we've got 5 days to go. And I'll tell you where we are, in case you're wondering where we are. Martin, can you put the shorts players on top of your playlist page? Oh, that's a good idea. I don't know. I'll have a look at that. I don't know the answer to that question. Why? Is it too much hard work to do that on your iPad? Yeah, Eric's going, every day I go on your playlist, I've got to do this for about 3 seconds. I don't want to do that anymore. Can you put the playlist at the top so I haven't got to go? You wouldn't mind doing that if that was Beth Moses, would you? It's not that sort of show, right? It's not that sort of show. I will super chat if you sing Wet, Wet, Wet in the style of Bill Nighy in Love Actually. I can do it. I can do that. I can do that. I will super chat if you sing Bill Wet, Wet, Wet in the style of Bill Nighy in Love Actually. I will do it. I can do it. All right? I can do it. So, now you've said it, how much are you going to super chat me? Just a question of time for the million. Just a question of time for the... What do you mean, just a question of time? Yeah, but we want to do it by the birthday. That's what we're doing here. We set targets. We set targets. We don't just, just meander on down the road. We set targets. Hey, look at this. Mullen is up. I'm making money on Mullen. Look, I'm at 1.1%. I've made $2. Hey, look at this. I'm making money. I'm making money on Mullen. Check me out. Playlist stops all the time. Just reset it. Right, do it. It's not enough money. It's not enough. He's thinking.
Do it.
Do it? Is that it? Is that it? That's a bit rude. That's a bit rude. There's me offering to be nice and do something.
Ryan James Summerfield has become a member.
Ryan James has become a member. Well, you're talking about that. Hang on. I can't believe... Jojo S, you're very rude. Look, here it is. Here it is. He just went like this. Here it comes. No, that's not it.
Ryan James Summerfield has become a member.
That's not it. This is it. This is it. This is from Jojo S. He just come on and thought he'd be rude. You ready? Here he goes.
Do it.
Who does that? Who does that? Who does super chats? Do it. I mean, not even please. Just do it. I mean, what the bloody... All right, I'll do it. Right, Ryan James Summerfield. What country are you from? Would everybody please put their cities and countries? I am making money from Mullen. That makes me very, very smart and very clever, doesn't it? Very, very smart and very, very clever. Anyway, what country are you from, Ryan James? I'm gonna give you the chance to get into Discord so I can upgrade you. You got lots of perks and benefits. Many things. Make sure that you read all the rules. Take advantage of it. Otherwise, you're missing out. Otherwise, no point really. You got to know what you're getting for your money, right? Here's one of them. Here's the Discord link. Wow, the DAX suddenly under 16 grand. That's just come in. England. Would everybody please welcome Ryan? And then I'm going to do this request for some guy who went, do it. Welcome, Ryan. Welcome, Ryan. Now, I don't know why I'm doing this, because normally I don't do this. We just go, welcome, Ryan. Oh, hang on, I spelt it wrong. Sorry, Ryan. I can't even spell your name anymore. Right, that's better. Right? But let's just do it. Just because we like being friendly. There you go. On everyone to copy and paste and make Ryan the most famous person on YouTube today. There you go. A man from Earth. There we go. Okay, so you want love, you want wet, wet, wet in the style of Bill Nighy from Love Actually. Brilliant, brilliant. Ready? All right, here we go. Here we go. We need a close up for this one. You ready? Here we go. All right, here it comes. I feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes. Love is all around me, and so the feeling grows. You know I love you, I always will. My mind's made up by the way that I feel. There's no beginning, there'll be no end. And so my love, I can defend. I feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes. Here it comes. Christmas is all around me, and so the feeling grows. Bloody hell. Christmas is all around me. There you go. How about that? You don't get that. You don't get that on BitBoy. You don't get that on Cryptos or Us. You don't get that with Graham, Stepan, or Meet Kevin. If all four got together, you wouldn't get that. All right. Let me read the comments. Welcome, Ryan. I don't even know why we did it. We went mental on Ryan. He's thinking, bloody hell, why did I get treated so special? I didn't become gold or anything. I'm just the bronze. Regular bronze member. Why did I get treated so special? Well, these things happen. You never know what's coming up. You never know. It's like a little surprise. Some people get ignored. Some people get turned into superstars. You know what I mean? It happens all the time. Welcome, Ryan. Welcome, Ryan. Since gravity, GE silicon is used to better traction flexibility as well. The rubber sticks to hardly no pressure. Hey, Ed Nevius, you're about an hour behind the stream. What's going on? I joined the Discord, just put a message in it. Hang on, let me get to it. Welcome, Ryan. Jojo S loves it. He loves it. He can't believe it. Jojo S is thinking, I can't believe how good this is. I'm actually going to, send this off to the Oscars. I can't believe how good this actually is. And I can understand that. It is pretty much amazing how good this actually is. Sometimes I get surprised by how good this is. We bring a friend to when is bring a friend to the channel? Shall we do it on the birthday in 5 days? Yes, let's do it. Right, okay, let me make a video. And then we've got Ryan who wants upgrading. Ryan wants upgrading. Ryan, let me go to Discord right now. Here he is. Ryan, is this you? I need you to confirm this is you on Discord. Ryan, is this you on Discord? Is that you? Just go, yes, it is me. Just notice Martyn's playlist is full of lady killers. Martyn's playlist is full of lady killers. What does that mean? Has anyone noticed Martyn's playlist is full of lady killers? What's all that mean? What's a lady killer? I just joined Discord. Ryan, is that you? This is Ryan from YouTube. What day's the birthday? Oh, really? Ryan? Keaton S, you don't know? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. How many? I don't believe this is happening. Yes, notice that, Eric. What do you mean, what's lady killers? Ryan, can you just say this is you? I've got people running a riot here. Sensei Crypto's turned up. Here he is. Ryan, can you hurry up a minute? Can you hurry up here? I've got hell breaking out here. We've got chaos. I've got chaos on the channel. I've got chaos. And I need to just deal. Can you just say if that's you, Ryan? Ryan, don't leave me hanging, Ryan. Yes, thank God for that. Right, Ryan. The first thing I got, Ryan James. The first thing I got to do is upgrade you, right? First of all, I got to do. Hang on, Ryan. Is give you a role, and as long as you're a member, you can now see all the members' channels. I'm going to change your nickname, Ryan RWAN James. Yeah. Ryan James, there you go. That's your name here on the channel. You can be whatever you want anywhere else, but on my server, you're the name that I give you, right? Which happens to be the name that you are on YouTube. So don't go and get funny with me. Ryan James. And now we're going to, what else are we going to do? We've given him the roles. Yeah, done that. Add him as a friend. So a friend request. It's so my members only message my friends so they know that everyone's real. No bad people here. Now, Ryan, I will warn you, people will try to message you, pretend to be me. They're not me. How you can tell the real me is because I'm in gold, because I'm the owner. Also, if you look at my roles, I am the owner. If you look at my profile, I don't have a silly name like all the scammers and most of you lot. And most of you lot have numbers because you're lazy. You haven't updated it yet. I am Martyn Lucas. And once that name's gone, you can't claim it. I am the only Martyn Lucas on Discord. Stick that in your pipe and smoke it, everybody. Oh, yeah. I got my own name now. That makes me special. That makes me special on my own server. If a man can't be special in his own server, where can he be special? That's what I'm saying. Right? That's Ryan. Now, Ryan, you can call in. I'll open the broadcast lounge because Sensei's popped in. He probably wants to come in. Just me or the chat a bit weird on the phone? Is it a bit weird? No, it's just because we've got so many people that are members now and it's just too busy. It's just, the channel is too popular. You can't, it's too hard for you. Right. If you want to call in the broadcast lounge, Ryan, you can. You can see all the private members now here. You can send in links for YouTube for me to research during the show. You can every morning come into the breakfast bar, and you've got to do that. That's your job. That's your responsibility. That's what you've paid for. So you now work, you go into the breakfast bar every morning and you go and you send pictures of your breakfast. If you're not going to do it, then, you know, you're not welcome. You're not welcome anymore. So you've got to do that, right? That's one of your jobs. If you're not doing it, you're not welcome. So, right, that's taken care of that. You can now have a birthday the day before, the day of, or the day after your birthday. And don't forget, you can also have, you can donate to someone else. Mullen! Ho ho! Ho ho! Look at Mullen. I'm up 3.6% on Mullen. I knew there was something going on. Look at Mullen. I'm making money. I'm making money. I'm making money on Mullen, everybody. Oh, yes. I'm making money. There's something going on with Mullen. Everyone's getting excited now with Mullen. Suddenly it goes from rubbish. Oh, I love it. I love it now. See? Anyway, when is a bring a friend? We're going to discuss that now. Awesome, Martyn. Has anyone noticed Martyn's? I don't know what that means. I joined the Discord. I've done that. What day's the birthday? Keaton S. That's been there for about 2 months. Can everyone say Keaton S? Keaton S. Keaton S. Are you blind? Right, Keaton S, are you blind? For 2 months above my head, it's been saying the birthday. Well, I mean, I'm sorry. If you come on our channel and say silly stuff, this is what happens. Keaton S, are you blind? Copy and paste, everybody. 5 days' time. When's the birthday? Yes, notice that, Eric. Notice what? A drinking friend on the 27th. Yes. Henrik has liked the stream on Facebook. Thank you very much. Mullins going up. Virgin Galactic's going back down again. Tilray doing nothing. Joe, he might actually be blind. He's not blind. He's not blind. You're not blind, are you? Are you blind? He's not blind. He's not blind. I'm assuming he's not blind. I'm gonna put my neck on the line and hope he ain't blind. It doesn't say the date. Well, it's in 5 days, 16 hours, 16 minutes. Can't you work it out? It's June the 27th. It's right. So this is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do, right? I'm gonna make a video on it. I'm going to make a video on it right now, okay? Let me make a video on it right now. Here we go. We're going to make a video on it. I don't know how many times I can say we're going to make a video on it. I'll just say it again. We're going to make a video on it, all right? Right, I'll start with this, and then I'll go to this. Okay, let me get rid of that. This is going to be good, right? This is going to be the best video I've ever made. This is going to be like Lord of the Rings, right? Okay, so let me bring it in. Okay. That's quite good, isn't it? That was quite good, isn't it? You like that? You're thinking that's quite good. Mullen's exploding. I can't believe it. I'm up now. I'm making so much money. I can't believe it. I'm making so much money. There's obviously some rumor. Oh, Mullen's flying now. 5%, 25%, 30% now today. Mullen is flying. No idea why. Right, okay, here we go. Calm down, everybody. Calm down. The excitement is getting to me. The excitement is getting to me. Right, here we go. We're going to go into this. Okay. The excitement is getting to me. 1 hour 42. 1 hour 42. 1 hour 42. Birthday. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Do that again. That was rubbish. That was rubbish. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. In 5 days, 16 hours, 15 minutes precisely, which is June 27th, we are celebrating our 2nd anniversary of the channel. Yes, we've been live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day, apart from October when I had a holiday. Is that all right? Fair enough. We are celebrating our 2nd anniversary. But it's going to get very, very exciting because it's also Bring a Friend. It's like being at school, isn't it? But better. What you've got to do is invite a friend. I'm assuming most of you have got a friend. As I'm making this video, Mullen is popping up like it's now 35% today. Very exciting. We're all making money. I hope you're making money, right? There's a bit of a rumor going on. Anyway, that's another video, right? What you got to do is you got to invite a friend, okay? How do you invite a friend? This is what you got to do. I mean, look at this. Hello there, MS. How are you doing? We're having a bit of a busy day today. It's getting exciting, right? Everyone is going to be at the birthday. It's members only, though, right? The members only, because nobody wants to see me getting drunk. No one wants to see me dancing around the studio with Beth Moses from Virgin Galactic in her welly boots. Nobody wants to see that. That's members only, all right? Otherwise, the rest of the world's going to be, what's going on here? So what you got to do is this. You've got to go below this video. And somewhere below this video, let me share with you, right? This is me sharing me on another screen, so don't get too confused, right? See under here, look, it says share. You click the share button there, look, and you can share it on social media. You can share it here, share it there, share it everywhere, all right? Do what you like, okay? Share it everywhere and tell your friends that they've got to join you on the birthday. All right. So then what happens then is once you've got one of your friends in on the birthday, all right, if we've got to 1 million views, then there's going to be a big surprise. All right. Lots of drinking, lots of messing around, members only. You need to come on in with your friend, okay, and say, hi, this is my friend. All right. And then when you say, hi, this is your friend, this person who hasn't got a clue what's going on, who's never watched a show before, comes in and goes, what's going on here? And then what happens then is, then we all go nuts and there's going to be a big surprise. All right? Bring a friend day. If you are here on June 27th in just a few days' time and you are here without a friend, you are Billy No Mates, you've invited nobody, you know nobody, it's not going to end well. It's not going to end well for you. You can't have that. You've got to bring a friend. So click the like, click the share, do whatever you like. Make sure on June 27th, someone just asked me a minute ago. They went, so when's the birthday? And I went, see this up here? It's been running for 2 months. That's when the birthday is. Anyway, apparently it doesn't say the date. And apparently you can't work it out what day it is in 5 days. So I'm going to make it easy for everybody. The day actually is June 27th. Anyway, see you there. You never know what's going to happen. If you know Beth Moses, invite her. We got a video that we posted earlier. And if you click up here, it will take you to this here. And we want to know why everybody on Virgin Galactic wears rubber boots. And does Beth Moses look good in rubber boots? Leave your comments below. Till next time, take care of yourselves. And I've got to fix this. Look, there's like some sort of blending going over my face. I'll fix it by the birthday. See you later. Right, there you go. That'll do. That'll do. That's the birthday sorted out. Hang on a minute. Sometimes I forget how many buttons I've got on here. Right. Yes, said Ryan. Meant it positive. I should have said heart melting. Oh, I see. It's a 26. If it's a 26, that's my birthday too. No, it's a 27th. Get out of it. Don't try and hijack it. Keaton S. will celebrate your birthday on the 26th, though. And what day is the 26th? Monday, innit? Innit? Monday. Yeah, Monday. We'll celebrate your birthday on the 26th. Sensei, just me or the chat a bit weird, just you. Songs that are meant to make the ladies collapse. All right, ladies. Have we got any ladies in the chat? Have we got any ladies in the chat? I want to know. Have we got any ladies in the chat? I'm going to make the ladies, what is it? Collapse. Look, I'm going to make ladies collapse now. Have we got any ladies in the chat? Any ladies in the chat? Any ladies here, basically? Yes or no? Any ladies here? Because apparently I can make the women collapse. Like I have an heart attack. Wife's birthday on the 27th. Well, you've got to bring your wife then. We'll make a special. We'll make a special, Stephen Lewandowski. I'll put that in my pipe and smoke it. Yeah, put that in your pipe and smoke it. Okay, great. Thanks for that. What did I do? I can't remember what I did now. Discord said I had to buy Nitro to get rid of the number. Or did I do something wrong? I haven't bought Nitro. I didn't buy Nitro. Maybe it's just because I'm special though, innit? Maybe I get treated different on Discord because it's like I am the owner of the server. I don't know what the reason is for that. Keaton S, are you blind? He might actually be blind. Keaton S, are you blind? I didn't say the date. Dion Easton, he's loving it. Mr. Lucas, did you buy more Tilray? No, because you didn't send me a super chat, so I can't, can I? Day after mine then. Yeah, day after yours. Whose birthday? Keaton S. Ed, pay attention, please, mate. I got itchy nose now. I get itchy nose when people stress me out. Never really noticed Beth like that until now. What do you mean? You never noticed Beth Moses until now? That's funny. That's funny. I never noticed Beth Moses until now. Where's the picture gone? I don't even know where the picture is. Does anyone know where the picture? I don't know where the picture is. Where's the picture? It's gone. Don't know where it is. Too bad. Never noticed Beth Moses before, he says. Thanks, Ed. He likes the rubber boots. How do you post a message on Discord? How do you post a message on Discord? Well, are you on? Are you even on Discord? That's why I've not upgraded you yet. A man from Earth. You need to be a YouTube member, which you are, but you're not on Discord. Come into the welcome all, and I'll upgrade you. There is the Discord link. All right, come into welcome all here, and I'll welcome you in. That's why it's called welcome all, isn't it? All right, there he is, a man from Earth. Hey, I finally got a chance to post on here. Right, you finally got a chance, did you? Suddenly life came together for you, did it? A man from Earth. Is this you? I know it sounds obvious. Just confirm this is you. No one else is going to call themselves a man from Earth. I just want to make sure that is you. Can you just say, yes, it's you in the chat? Man walks into a live stream and goes, what's going on here? Don't count Mullen out. Hey, look at Mullen. Look at Mullen. I'm making so much money. I can't believe it. Oh my God, I actually am making some money. Look at that. Is that you on A Man from Earth? Yes, I did the final steps. Right, okay. Let me upgrade you. I've did the final steps. Only took you about a week, you know what I mean? Roles. Now you can see all the channels. You're a member. As long as you stay a member, I'll add you as a friend. And I don't even need to change your name because you've got the same name. That makes life easy. You can now see the broadcast lounge. You can now call into the show here. I'm waiting for you. All the private channels, members anywhere. Go into the breakfast bar. Not now because it ain't breakfast. Go into general chit chat and say hello. Oh, hello. Who's this? Gonna join you for a whiskey on Friday. Just pick these out for the birthday show. Senor Polito Holt. This is the sort of thing I'm talking about. This is the sort of show that we want to be. We want to be the drunken investors. Look at this. Senior Polito. He says, I've already bought whiskey for the show. I love it. That's what I'm talking about. I want everyone to buy bottles of whiskey to send in to take pictures of themselves drinking on Tuesday. I love it. I love it. Right. Mullen. Oh my gosh. Look at Mullen. It's exploding, folks. It's exploding. It's up 35% today. I'm glad I jumped in. I'm up 7% on it. Look at that. Nice. Roth IRA. I'm down 74%. I bought some more. Anyway, a bit of FOMO, I think. You owe me commission on that video for that idea. What was that? Commission. What, because you're blind, because you can't see nothing? Is that what you're saying? The Lucas Loopers know the date. Yeah, the Lucas Loopers know the date. We know the date. Mr. Lucas, did you buy Tilray? No, you didn't give me a super chat. That's why. The boots are GE silicone. The rubber is soft in 0% gravity. The traction is better. You don't need weight to move. Oh, I see. Thanks, Ed. Rich, are you blind? Discord. Yes, I did. I am from Mars. Yeah, me too. Frozen example, frozen lid on jar with rubber gloves make it easier to open. Example, frozen lid on jar with rubber in. What were you on about? What are you on about, Ed? I am a man from Oz. I'm paying no attention to that. You're just talking silly now. Just getting carried away. The boots are an alternative method for Martyn's bummed... What? Eh? The boots are an alternative method. Mike, are you all right, mate? Are you all right there? Right, Ed. There's stuff going on here I don't even understand. Right. So we've got one lady. We've got one lady in the chat. I didn't think so. It's one. This is for that one lady. All right. Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do now. Okay. This is what we're going to do. Right. This show should have ended an hour ago. I don't even know why I'm here. This should be members only. It should be members only because nobody wants to watch this. This isn't an investment channel. This is gone ridiculous, right? I'm just saying. This is for the one lady in the show. Apparently, we've got one lady in the show. Okay, because according to Mike and according to Eric, apparently my whatchamacallit playlist is full of lady songs to make ladies fall over. I don't even know if that's a good thing or bad. I think if women are falling over, I'm sure that's not good. I mean, whenever I've sung to Leah, she's never fallen over. So I don't know if this is a good thing or not. But anyway, apparently, Mullen is flying now. I'm making so much money. I feel rich already. I'm up 7% in the last 5 minutes. I'm very happy with that. Right. I hit the one like. So this is for Mike then. Right. Here's my best lady song ever in the world. Are you ready? All right. Ready? Here it comes. Here it comes. Okay. This is my Michael Bolton impression. You ready? This is good, this. This is very, very good. In fact, this is what we're going to do. If you think this is the best impression you've ever heard ever of a man on YouTube who does a trading channel in the whole world ever, Jojo S says, I identify as a YouTuber. I identify as a TV. Call me a YouTube, a TV star. Otherwise, don't call me a YouTuber. I don't identify with that. I identify as a TV star. Anyway, so if you think this is the best impression you've ever heard ever in the history of the world ever by a YouTuber on a YouTube TV show who does day trading, right? You got to give me a super chat, even if it's just 99 cents. If you think it's rubbish, if you think it sounds nothing like Michael Bolton, absolutely rubbish, and whatever, and you don't think it's the best you've ever heard from a YouTuber ever in the history of the world, then you don't give me anything. So I'm putting my life on the line here. I'm either going to get, there's 42 people going to give me $1 each, so I'm going to earn $42 right now, or I'm going to get booed off the stage. So I'm taking a chance on you now. Ready? Here we go. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I'm going to make $40, $1 from each person, or I'm going to get booed off the stage. You ready? Here's my impression for all the ladies. Michael Bolton. When a man loves a woman. Here we go. Let me turn the echo on. The echo's on. Will a man loves a woman deep down his soul? Love and eyes can never see. He gives up all, he does comfort, sleep on the rain. Yeah, she said that's the way it ought to be. He gives up all, he does comfort, sleep on the rain. Love and eyes can never see. I tell you what, you've never seen anything like it, have you? You can't believe it. You can't believe it. You have never seen anything like it. You're thinking to yourselves, what the heck is this? I've never seen anything like it. I know what you're thinking. That's what you're thinking. I've never seen anything like it. Now, there is only one downside to it, though. I've had 1 out of 46. So I'm basically, at the moment, being booed off the stage. I have $1. I have a $1 tip. So technically, 1 out of 46. After all that effort, basically, I'm being booed off the stage now. My iPhone just told me to turn the volume down. Yeah. That's why I stepped back. All right. I thought of you. I thought of your iPhone. I thought, I don't want to break your iPhone. I don't want to break your. I'll tell you what breaks your TV. This is what breaks your TV. In fact, I can do better than that. You ready? This is what breaks your TV. This is what breaks it. Anyone now? See? You can see if I've had a shave today. I always have a shave about 6 o'clock in the morning. There. That. Imagine if I sung it that loud with that look. I mean, that's, if you've got a big 100-inch telly, that's frightening, isn't it? You don't want to do that very often. Nah. Don't want to do that. Oh, God. See, look how that looks on the big telly, look. Oh, my God, I just noticed how that looks. Yeah, that's, see, that's good, isn't it? Yeah, that's good. Right. Oh, my God. Right. I've got to get out of here. I've got videos to make. I've got things to do. I've got places to be. I've got people to see. Right. So anyway. Hey! You got to put comments. It reads them out. Stop being lazy. When you give a super chat, put a comment. Put a sentence. Put a sentence. It reads it out if you put a comment. Oh, bloody... What's the point? Too late now, isn't it? I can't give you money back. You got to do it properly. Bloody hell. Do it properly. Stop messing around. You cannot sing Around My Woman. Can you show Virgin Galactic? Dominic, you're not even a member. You can't tell me what to do. You can't tell me what to do, but I will anyway. There's Virgin Galactic. It's just going sideways. No news. Nothing going on. We were looking at Mullen because Mullen is going up after hours. There's been some rumours, and I like the rumours because I'm making money. I'm up 7.5%. Look at that. I'm making some money, folks. I'm rich. Mullen is giving me my money back. Any updates on Virgin Galactic before you go, Mark Miller? Nope. Mark Miller's just making sure. He's going, oi, just come on in here, and I want to make sure what's going on. I might lose her, said a man from Earth. You will, mate. If I do that round, what you've got to do on the June 27th, that's just for Keaton S, because you can't see the thing here. On June 27th, 5 days' time, a man from Earth, you've got to bring your lady in, and I'll sing to her, right? But you got to bring her in, all right, on the birthday. That's what Martin sang when he did his bum check. No, there was no singing going on there. Senior Polito Holt, thank you. It's a long way to the top. It's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. It's a long way to the top. It's a long way to Tipperary. It's a long way to go. Thanks, Eric. Any movements or updates on Virgin Galactic today, buddy? Nope, there's nothing to say. I wish I had something to tell you, but I don't. Jamie on the back porch just said he's going to go to trans after that song. Any updates on Virgin Galactic? No, I'm sorry, mate. It worked though. Next time I'll do it properly. Yes. Senior Polito. Next time, do it properly. Unbelievable. Yes, it worked. Congratulations. Oh my God, look at Mullen. Is anybody in Mullen right now? It's absolutely going nuts. What's going on with Mullen? Making some money. Is anyone in Mullen? Oh my, right, I got to put a news item out. Mullen, I got to put, this is getting stressful now. I'm falling behind. 2 hours 3. 2 hours 3. 2 hours 3. 2.03 MULN. Mullen. Okay. Okay, breaking news. It's always breaking news, isn't it? Everything's breaking news if I do it. It's breaking news, isn't it? So let's do it right now. Breaking news. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Look at Mullen today. What is going on? We've had some rumours about production. It's only a rumour at this stage. However, we are up 34% today. I've been saying all day how rubbish the stock is, and I looked at it and I still think it's rubbish. I haven't changed my opinion on that. But, however, I'm here to make some money, right? And I'm down like 90%. So what did I do about it? Well, I went into my Roth IRA and I doubled my position. I was down $500. I doubled my position and I had about 350 shares and I bought another 350 shares, lowered my average, and now I'm down 74%, so a bit better, right? But I also then thought, what the heck? Let's go into the brokerage account as well and buy some. And in the last few minutes, I'm 8.34%. What is going on with Mullen? If you know what's going on with Mullen, I would leave I'd like your comments and thoughts below in the description. Tell me why Mullen is up. We can't find any information on it. We've heard there's some rumors, but we'd like to know. And in fact, in celebration of Mullen, we're going to do this. We're going to go over here. I'm going to press this button and we're going to turn the studio green because we're making money. So if you know why not Virgin Galactic, that's another story. If you know why Mullen's up, smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell, and leave me a comment below. I'll reply to all our comments, all of your comments rather. The comments are yours, the replies are mine, just so we're not getting confused. And I would like to know why Mullen has popped today. There are rumours. Is it based upon anything? Let me know. I would like your thoughts below in the comments. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, I'll put that out in a bit. Let's have a look. Haha, it worked though. Thanks, Dominic. You're welcome. You can't add a message on a super. No, is that why? Welcome in, Dominic. Welcome in. I have a personal autograph from Martyn. It is in the breakfast lounge. Oh yeah, I've got a couple of those. In fact, I'll mention that. I'll do that another day. I'll do that another day. Yeah, he does. He does. Where did he put it? In the breakfast lounge. Breakfast bar. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, yeah. He's showing off now. Look at that. Eric B says, I have a personal autograph from Martyn. It's in the breakfast lounge. Look at that. He does. He does. He went to my eBay shop and he bought it. And it was, I think it was $1 plus postage. And you can get one of my cards signed. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Did you know that? Oh, yeah. More stuff like that coming soon. Get ready for it, right? We're going to have a deluge of stuff. At least I made the Michael Bolton. At least I made the Michael Bolton impression. Exactly. That's the most important thing, mate. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for losing money. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. What's important is that you are here for the Michael Bolton impression. Let's keep it. Let's just remember that. Let's remember what's important. Senior Polito Holt. Mullen going to $1. Hey, Mohammed, what is going on here? What is going on? Anyway, what's my average on it? My average is 20 cents. My Roth, my average is 84 cents. I hope it does go to $1. I want that, what you have. I want that, what you have, it works. What do I have? What do you mean, The Rock? You've not upgraded on YouTube yet, on Discord. I need to upgrade you. You did it. You become a member, but where are you? I can't even see you in the chat. Why can I not see The Rock? Yes, I need to upgrade you on Discord. Get in the Discord so I can upgrade you. Talking of long way to the top, I was with Brian Johnson this weekend. Hey, Brian Johnson. Do you mean Brian Johnson from the Beach Boys? I have a personal autograph from Martyn. There you go. I am here, Cherry. You missed it, Cherry. You missed the love songs. Cherry, you missed the love songs. $2.10 average on Mullen. I won't get excited just yet. I'm right with you, Jojo S. Raphael. Too late, Raphael. You've missed the party. It's Bring a Friend on the birthday. David did a video that shows new vans in the background. It started, the rumour production started. Is it true, though? I got one too, Eric. When's the 2nd anniversary mug? I told you, you got to wait. There's a surprise coming. There's lots of surprise coming on the day. Wait. Share. Even the negative. We're sharing everything, mate. Rock is happy. Right, have we covered all the questions? I work hard at this, don't I? I make sure I cover everyone's questions. We got to go red again, because it's only Mullen who's making any money. Oh, that's blue. This is the red one. Right, let's go and have a quick look. I was working. Raphael, tell your boss that you've got more important things to do. You can't be at work tomorrow because you're watching Martyn Lucas on the telly. You got to tell him that. Go and tell your boss. And if he doesn't like it, tell him that what he could do is sponsor the channel, and then we'll make his business famous and make more money. So it's in his best interest to let you watch the channel. All right? Tell your boss that you've got to watch the channel, and then he can sponsor it and promote his business. So he needs you to watch. He can actually, in fact, he could go further and pay you to watch the channel. That could be your new job at work. Marketing, promoting the business. Good afternoon, Leah, says Raphael. She can see you. She's in the other room watching. Eric and Stephen, I have one too. What's that? Yeah, they do. They're showing off now. Eric and Stephen, I have one too. There you go. They're showing off. I got one of those cards. Yeah. Brian Johnson, AC/DC, not Brian Wilson from the Beach Boys. Oops. Sorry about that. Not Brian Wilson. Sorry, I don't know. What do I know about heavy metal music? I don't know anything about it. Keaton S. Sorry about that, mate. I'm going to work tomorrow. I'm working for Decathlon. The headquarters, it's in France. Doesn't matter if it's in France. Doesn't matter. We promote round the world. You can't. What can't you do? You can't tell him. Get him on the phone. Ring him up. Oi, listen. Tell him. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. In France, look, I'll even do it in French for you. I'll even do it in French, right? Hey, Raphael, go and tell your boss that he's got to pay you to watch this channel because you can promote his business. It can be your new job. You tell your boss that Martyn Lucas said so. Hang on. I've got to do a couple of spelling mistakes. Apparently I'm Martyn Luther now. Not Martyn Lucas. Look, he did Martyn Luther. Right, and Raphael, that came out as well. That came out wrong as well. Fael. Okay, here we go.
Et Raphaël va dire à ton patron qu'il doit te payer pour regarder cette chaîne parce que tu peux promouvoir son entreprise, ça peut être ton nouveau travail, tu dis à ton patron que Martyn Lucas l'a dit.
See? And because it sounded so good, I'm going to play it again.
Et Raphaël va dire à ton patron qu'il doit te payer pour regarder cette chaîne parce que tu peux promouvoir son entreprise, ça peut être ton nouveau travail, tu dis à ton patron que Martyn Lucas l'a dit.
See? All right. Gotta get out of here. I've got to get out of here. I don't know why I'm still here. I should have gone ages ago. Right? Yeah, no one's watching anymore. I've destroyed my channel. There's 29 people watching. 29 people watching now. So I've done damage to my channel. No one's watching this rubbish. Okay, I've got to go. I think we're good for the minute. Let me check to see what we got, how close we are to our views. This morning it was 954,000. We've got to get to 1 million, so we've got a long way to go. 954,000. Oh, it's getting closer. 5 days to go. Look at this. Look at this. You've all got to get on it now. Look, 968,000 views. Is Stephen Lewandowski here? Stephen, work out the numbers. What do we need? 968,000 to get to 1 million. What do we need? That's 32,000 divided by 5. 32,000 divided by 5. Right? I've got a calculator now. I've got all sorts. Look at this. I can do a calculator. Look, there you go. 32,000. 32. Boom, boom, boom. Divided by 5. 6,500 a day. So over the 48 hours, times that by 2. We need to do 12,800 every 48 hours between now and the birthday. Oh, it's going to get tight, isn't it? It's going to get tight. It's going to be right down to the wire. But if you don't do it, there's no surprise. There's no bring a friend. There's no singing to Man from Earth's girlfriend. None of that. None of that stuff's going to happen. No drinking. I won't be sharing your photographs on Discord of you drinking. So it'll be basically a flop. Yes, 963,000 divided 5 equals 6,500. Yeah, I've already done it. Stephen. Normally you do it ahead of me, but today you were too slow, so I did it myself. I couldn't wait forever, could I? I've got things to do, places to go, people to see. We're still here. Yeah, why are you still here? Sham God. I don't know why anyone's watching this. We count, dang it. We count. I'm still here, he says. I'm still here. I count. Sham God Jimmy. Sham God Jimmy. Tomorrow 1 million. Tomorrow 1 million. It won't be 1 million tomorrow. It could be 1 million tomorrow if you all get off your asses, because there's 1,000 views in that playlist.
Tomorrow 1 million.
There it is. There it is. From France, we've declared it. Tomorrow is 1 million. Well, it's up to you. I can't do nothing about it, right? I've got to go. Quite honestly, I'm bored now. I never get bored on my show, but I'm bored. I'm actually bored. No one's entertaining me. All right, I'm just talking to you in my studio. If you can imagine, look, this is what it looks like. Let me do camera 2. Look, this is me. This is my life. This is at the back of the studio looking forward. So this is what it's like. So I'm sat here, look, just talking to myself. Look, see, down this microphone. This is what I do. I sit here and talk like this to myself. Is this not the daftest job in the world? Look, see? And I'm still doing it, and there's no one even here. And now I'm laughing. I'm laughing at my own jokes. I've probably gone mad, because 2 years sitting here, I probably have. Someone needs to assess my mental state. I'm probably mad now. Yeah, I probably am. You're a good singer. Do you want to? I'll take. Okay, one for the ladies. Here's Richard Marx. All right, ready? Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. There we go. Richard Marx. Richard Marx. You have gone mad, Martin. Probably. I'm sitting in my little black hole on my own. Go get dinner. Yeah, I'm going to go. I'm going to go. You're a good singer. Thank you very much indeed. Shammy God Jimmy. You're a good singer. Let's hear a quick tune. All right. I'll let you hear a quick tune and then I'll come back. First YouTube channel I subscribed. First YouTube channel to subscribe. Listen here, Raoul. Where are you from? Raoul, do you want to complete the picture? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where do you live? Let me get rid of that. Raoul, where are you from? We're all mad here, mate. We are all here mad. Madmen. We're all the madmen. Raoul Londono, where are you from? Raoul, you've heard you've heard me going on about the 3-body problem a few times now, Martyn. Did you see the trailer that was finally released for it a couple of days ago?
Go get the dinner, Martyn. You deserve it.
You deserve it. You deserve it. Pinellas Park, Florida. Pinellas Park, Florida. Right. Well, here's a little thing for you, Raul. You are now about to become historic in YouTube land, because nobody ever in the history of YouTube has ever actually become a subscriber on the very first YouTube channel, and of that YouTube channel,
Just to help with the dinner.
just to help with the dinner. I love it. Hey, Leah, we got $3. I can have some peanut butter on toast, and you can have some cheese. We've got $3. Raphael from France, who's going to tell his boss tomorrow what's going on, has just paid $3 for our peanut butter, toast, and cheese. Thanks, Raphael. So, what you got to do now, Raul, right, to make history of being the first YouTuber in the history of the world to only ever subscribe to one channel. This is how good this is, right, Raul? You're going to now become a member. This is crazy, isn't it? Right? And if you become a member, I will do something that you're going to love. Right? I'm just going to say that. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm just going to see if you can trust me. Right? It's like, who the hell is this guy? Is this some kind of cult? Is this some kind of hypnotism? Yes, it is. If you become a member, I'm going to do something for you now, and you're going to love it. You're going to go, that's brilliant. That's brilliant. That's the best money I've ever spent in my life. It's only $2, right? And I'm even going to look into the crystal ball and predict what's going to happen. This is how good this is. Is Raul Londono, all the way from Tampa Bay in Florida somewhere, is he about to become a YouTube member? Yes, he is. He is. And good things are about to happen. You ready? Are you ready? Okay, we're looking forward to it. We're looking forward to it. I haven't heard of the 3-body problem. What is it? You have gone mad, Martyn. The madness of King TV YouTuber. It's a new world we live in. Rock. Poor Leah. I agree.
I'm from Portugal, Martyn. Cheese sounds nice.
It does. Cheese sounds lovely. A bit of what I like after the show, what I do actually, this is what we do after the show. When I've got up from here, when I've walked over there, I walk through the magic curtain over there, and I have a glass of wine, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of crackers. I have that. And then I sit down and I watch Coronation Street on the telly with a cup of tea with my wife. That's what we do. That's what we do. That's how we live. That's how we roll. All right? Okay, where did the auto-tune come from? There's no auto-tune. There's no auto-tune here. I can do 14 voices, 7 different languages. There's no auto-tune. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. We don't want this. Man from Earth. I kind of feel left out. The Earth flag isn't flying. Maybe Virgin Galactic needs to make an Earth flag. A man from Earth. We haven't got a flag for Earth, I'm afraid. A man from Earth. Yeah, we haven't got. There isn't a flag for that, I'm afraid. There isn't a flag for Earth. I wish I could come up with one for you, but I can't. The secret group called Mug Owners will always have your back, Martyn. That's right. That's right. The Mugsters. The Mugsters. The Lucas Muggers. Yeah, the Lucas Muggers. I'm from Portugal, Martyn. Cheese sounds nice. Right. So, is Sham God... No, who was it? Raul Londono. Is he going to do it or not? Is he going to take faith or not? Because I ain't got time to wait. Are you doing it or what? Are you doing it or am I going to go? Am I going to go? I'm just saying, because I can't sit here all night. Sell them your Martyn Lucas logo. What, and then I'll just make another one. Yeah, I could do that. You could buy one of my NFTs with the logo on it. You could do that if you want. Yeah. Anyway. I'm going to give him a minute. If not, I've got to go. I don't know why I'm still sat here, quite frankly. Let's have a look. Is anybody still watching? Is this mic on? There is. There's 32 people tuned in. Flipping it, guys. I tell you, you don't need Netflix. You can cancel that. If anyone's paying Netflix, cancel it. Whatever you pay for Netflix, just give that to me in Super Chat once a month. Right, here we go. 1 million views minus 963 equals 37,000 divided by 5 days equals 7,400 views a day. 15 seconds. Hang on.
Last one. This is for Leah. 14 euros in total.
Bloody hell. Hang on a minute. Someone's just given a membership away. Who done that? We got a membership. And Jan Leanby Jan has just won a membership. I cannot believe it. A man from Earth has gifted a bronze membership and Jan Leanby Jan has just won it. I can't believe it. That's hilarious. Martin Wise, hey Rule, want a balloon? They'll all float. My phone just died. Hang on. Oh yeah, of course it bloody did. Yeah, my phone died. I can't become a subscriber. My phone broke. Hang on a minute. Let me read this. Last one. Right. Raphael, I'm going to take that €2 super chat for Leah, and I'm going to take Leah to the pub, and I'm going to buy her a glass of wine. That's on you. And I'll say, Leah, this was from Raphael. All right. There you go. Going to do that, Raphael. She will appreciate that very much. That's very nice of you. Great show, Martin. Thank you. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. See you. It's been fun. See you tomorrow. He said he's gone. He's going. Hang on. I didn't read this comment. Hang on. 1 million minus 963,000 equals 37,000 divided by 5 days equals 7,500 views a day. 15 seconds time, 7,400 equals 11,000 seconds divided by 60 equals 1,850 minutes divided by 60. Flipping heck. You got too much time on your hands, Stephen, to come out with that. Even though I read it, it didn't make any sense at all. Did that make any sense to anyone? Did anyone understand all of that? Anyone? No. No. It's a long day, Stephen. No one gets it. No one gets it. Great show, Martin. Best entertainment on TV, mate. Best entertainment. Sorry, my phone died. See you. It's been fun. See you tomorrow. Shammy God Jimmy. What a name that is. That's the best YouTube. I've never seen a name that good. Shammy God Jimmy. I've never seen a name that good on YouTube. That's got to be the best. Martin Wise. Hey, Raoul. Want a balloon? They all float. Don't get it. I love my Martyn Lucas TV. Don't blame you. Best entertainment on TV. There's nothing like it. My phone died. Yeah, of course it did. Give Raoul the subscription. Florida is in the building. A man from Earth. I can't predict who wins it. It's whoever's in the chat that's not a member. That's and it shows Jan Leanby Jan. Jan Leanby Jan has just won a membership. She doesn't even know she's won it. She doesn't even know it. She'll come in tomorrow and go, oh my God, I won a membership. I can't believe it. Wow, says Eric B. See you guys tomorrow. I need to go. No, you don't. This is your life now. This is your priority. You don't need to go anywhere. I love it, Stephen. Yes, I've got to go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. We're not even going to do day trader of the day. There's no point because it's all gone to pot. It's all gone to pot. There's no sense to any of it. I'm going to roll the credits. I'm going to go. What have you read, Stephen King? What You've not read Stephen King's It. No. I am looping. Jan is a man. I don't know. How do you know Jan is a man? How do you know? Jan might be a woman. I saw his channel. Okay, then. So you're kind of what? Snooping around people's channels? Mike, stop snooping around people's channels. When people come on here, they just in the chat watching the show. No one asked to be snooped around. All right? If I'm watching the show, I'm just watching the show. I don't want to be snooped around. Jan came in. He doesn't want you snooping around his show, his channel. Tilray, what about it? Mike, nothing. All turned to Tilray. I saw it all turned to Tilray. Yeah, rubbish. Nothing's going on. It's my job. Is it? Is it your job to snoop around people's channels? Is it? Why? You're doing research for me, are you? Finding out who's watching, who's going on, in case someone's important, right? Timmy Rama is following me somewhere. I think they're following me on Twitch. Jan identifies as a moth. I've never heard of anyone identifying as a moth. Yeah. I don't want to be a butterfly. I want to be a moth, right? I identify as a moth, and you take me. I'm a moth. From now on, I'm known as a moth, okay? This is how it is. This is how things are now. This is how things are. If I say I'm a moth, you bloody well accept it. Don't accept it, we don't get on. Right, so I'm a moth. From now on, I'll be known as the moth. Right, I'm out of here. I gotta go. This is getting silly. Right, I'm gonna... If anyone's still watching me, if you are, you really need to get your life in order, right? If you are still watching me, I might as well mention it. First of all, yeah, do you know what? Yeah, I'm going to mention it because you never know. There might be one person who's not following me on Twitter. I want one more person. Until I'm as big as Elon Musk on Twitter, I've got some work to do, right? And when I've got 200 million followers, then I can rein it in a little bit, right? Rein it in. Right now, though, I need another follower on Twitter. I've got 838. I'm not as famous as Elon Musk yet. Is anybody out there? I've no idea. I've heard someone say you're a bully. They did not get it. I heard someone say you're a bully. They did not get it at all. Yeah, I know. I'm the biggest bully there is. No one ever has been like me. Right. In space. Very good. You've all heard the song, right? I'm very impressed. Right, here we go. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Here we go. Yeah, that's the end. That's the official. Yeah. Here we go. Let's roll the credits. I don't know why I'm still here. I've never been here this long. Right, we've got Super Chats. Jojo S. He gave me some money. Eric B. He gave me some money. Senior Polito and Rafael Marcus. They both gave me some money. Good. Okay, good. We've made some money. Leah, start the car. We've made some money. Put the cheese on. Put the cheese on. Super Chats. Jojo S, Eric B, Senior Polito, Holt, Raphael Marquis, subscribers 8KP, ongoing struggle, and MS Shuganu. Members Mark Korn, Carlos Hidalgo, Ryan James Summerfield. That's it. We all know the lyrics. Be impressed. You should know the lyrics. I've only played it 1,000 times. 531 Virgin Galactic stocks. You bring the soothing voice through this turbulence. Rao, you know it. Oh, excuse me. Stop the music. Stop the music. I thought your phone died. That's why you couldn't become a member. Apparently your phone's all right. Why aren't you a member? Can everyone take note? Can all my people that take notes of this show, there's about a number of people, Paul, Rao, that take notes. Those of you that take notes, you know who you are, the note takers. I want the note takers to write down a note that Raul Londono should always be known as the guy who tried to get out of getting a membership because apparently his phone was dying. But we moved on. He thought I'd forgot about it. He came back and started talking about stuff, thinking he won't remember that. I remember. Apparently your phone died. Well, how come you're still here? Charge was low. Well, it's not low enough that you can't be here. It doesn't take any more effort to click the button. All right, I've got to get out of here. Yeah, thank you ever so much, everybody. It's been good. It's been good. Roll the bloody credits. We're in the dark. They all float. Leah, fire it up. Fire it up. What about me, a man from Earth? What about you? What about you? What's with the you? What's with the you? You are nothing short of incredible. Nick Webber. Nick Webber, you're nothing short of incredible. Stop. Charge was low. Mike, press the button. I'll slay his ass. I'm not having any of it. Yeah, Mike, sort it out. Go and sort out his. Go onto his channel. In fact, Mike, go onto his YouTube channel. Start leaving bad comments. This guy here, don't watch his videos. He's got a low battery. When he make videos, I'm surprised the video even got uploaded because his battery's low. Anyway, Martin, I wasn't in the credits. Don't make me cry. A man from Earth. Well, what did you do? A man from Earth. What did you do? Oh yeah, the gifted thing doesn't count. It doesn't do it. It only does when you become a member. I'm sorry about that, mate. I can't do nothing about it. Let me see if I can celebrate you in some way. I don't think I can. I don't think there's any way I can celebrate you in any way. Recent events. Let's have a look. Raphael. Timmy has followed. No. Can't do nothing about it. It's the way it works, mate. I don't make the rules. Cornish humour. This is just... don't do me like that, mate. What's going on? Yeah, don't do that. Cornish humour. Right, I'm out of here. This is way too long. This is no good. I've got videos to make. I'll see you back in the morning. Now, tonight, think on. Tomorrow, I'd like to raise the standard of this show. All right, tomorrow we're going to raise the standard. Tomorrow, this nonsense-free will be forgotten and we'll start a brand new day. And no one will ever know that this has gone on. You've got a few days to go to make sure that you're here for the birthday. Bring a friend. Until then, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves, and each other. Lucas Loopers, get to work. Bye-bye for now.